Anguish, anxiety, anger. Relative of the victims of Sunday's killings in March Pen Road, St. Catherine, recounts her loss. Good evening and thanks for joining us at Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the police say gang feud behind Sunday's killing in March Pen Road.
Parliamentarians clash over country's preparedness for Hurricane Matthew.
Business and consumer confidence dip.
What led to the delay of the Commandant's Economic Zone? The Factories Corporation explains.
And in the business news, Prime Minister Andrew Holness calls on international regulators to reward Jamaica's efforts to stem money laundering.
There is also sports commentary, primetime weather in this newscast, as well as business news. But before the break, the feedback question.
What are your views on the recording and sharing of videos from crime scenes on social media?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.